In this video, we are going to take a look at how we can create a QR code that we can link to our Google form so that we can share the QR code and people will be able to fill up our Google form. So let's see how we can do that. So here we have a form that we have just created. So you just need to visit your Google form website and you can go ahead and create a new form, or if you already have a form, then you can click on that. And once that is open, make sure everything is completed. So make sure whatever you want from your form is actually working. And once everything is done, you can go ahead and click on the published button here. You will be able to get the link for your form. So here is the responder link. You can go ahead and shorten this link, or you can use it as it is. So I'm just going to copy the link here. And now we need to generate a QR code for this form. And in order to create our QR code, we need to visit a website called canva.com. And from here, we go to custom size and type in any square size like 900 by 900 or maybe 1080 to make it a really high quality like this. And we just click on create new design. And once that is done, we now have a blank template where we want our QR code to be added. And now we simply need to go to apps and search for QR code and then hit enter. And this is the first app that we need to use, and then click on open. Now let's enter the URL. So this is the URL of our Google form. Let's click on generate code and we have the QR code of our form generated. Let's stretch it all the way up to our canvas. And now we can simply download this. So let's click on share and we can download it as PNG, JPG, whatever you wish. So I'll just click on JPG and I'll choose the maximum possible quality. And then I'm just going to click on save or download. Now the download is done. Let's open this in a new tab. And if you want, you can go ahead and scan it. It will not work because I'm going to delete that form. But this is how you can generate a QR code for your Google form.